Hello children, welcome to class 3 English 2. So the lesson 3 we have completed Puppy and I have given the question answer and who said to whom. I hope all of you have done in copy. No? Understood the question answer? Okay, today we will discuss the complete the following and describe the pictures in 2 words. Okay, so take out your page number 26. All page number 26. Take the B part. Complete the following. Okay, these are the 5 sentences are given there, and these are the sentences of your book. You have to complete the sentence. Listen, first sentence I will read. The man was going to get some dash. Very simple answer. The man was going to get some dash. Where was the man going? The man was going to the village. To get some what? To get some bread. No, bread. To get some bread. So in that dash you have to write to get some bread. Okay. Then second question. The horse was going to get some dash. What is the answer? When the boy asked the horse, where are you going? The horse said, I am going to the village to get some hay. Hay, hay. Okay. So the second answer is hay. Then third question. The woman was going to get some dash. Why was the woman going? The woman was going to get some barley. Barley. To get some barley. So the third answer is the woman was going to get some barley. Barley. Okay. Then the fourth answer. The rabbits were going to get some dash. Why the rabbits were going? Why were they going, the rabbits? To get some oats. 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 The rabbits were going to going to the village to get some oats. So the fourth answer is oats. Then what is the fifth answer? The puppy was going to dash. Where was the puppy going? To the hills, up to the hills. For what? The puppy was going to play. Going to play. Okay. Going to the hills to play. Okay. So this answer you have to do in copy. Okay. I will give the correct answer like this. Complete the following. Number 1. The man was going to get some bread. The horse was going to get some hay. The woman was going to get some barley. The rabbits were going to get some oats. The puppy was going to play. Okay. So all these answer you have to do in your copy like this. Okay. And underline these words. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Clear? Yes. Then the next one, page number 27. Take out your page number 27. B part. Take the B part. Describe the pictures in 2 words. Describe the pictures in 2 words. One example is given there. A rabbit's picture is given there, and the rabbit is described in 2 words. Okay, you have to write 2 adjectives. What are adjectives? Describing words. Look at the sentence. Cute brown rabbit. Okay, take out your book also, page number 27. Cute brown rabbit is given there. And which are the describing words of the rabbit? Cute and brown. Okay, cute and brown. 2 describing words are given there. And rabbit is the name of that animal. Okay, cute brown rabbit. So cute and brown are the describing words. Like that, these 5 sentences are given there. The name is given there. You have to write 2 describing words for these pictures. Okay, can you write? Try to write. Okay. What is first? This is a picture. This is the picture of a woman or a lady. Okay. Woman. Woman. Woman is given there. So can you write two describing words for this woman? Beautiful you can write. Beautiful young also write. Okay. Beautiful young woman. Okay. Then what is second? It's a man, no? So what you can write? In place of beautiful you can write handsome, you can write, or smart you can write, young you can write. Okay. I am saying two words. Smart young man. Clear? Two words. Smart young man. Then next, question number 3. Rainbow. It's a beautiful rainbow, no? So you can write the word beautiful. Then how many colors are there? 7 colors are there. So you can write beautiful, colorful rainbow. Okay, for rainbow you can write beautiful, colorful rainbow. Two describing words should have there. Okay. So beautiful, colorful rainbow. Then what is next? A bird is flying. No. You can write flying blue bird or violet bird. Okay. Flying violet bird you can write, or beautiful flying bird you can write, or lovely blue bird you can write. Anything you can write. Any two describing words. Okay. Then what is fifth one? It's a beautiful rose. No. What color it is? It has a red color. So you can write beautiful red rose, or you can write fresh red rose. Okay. Anything you can write. Any two describing words you have to write. Okay. So this second portion describe the pictures in 2 words. Okay. All of you can write now. Try to write in copy these two. Okay. Complete this following page number 26 and page number 27. Describe the pictures in 2 words. Look at the example and write 2 describing words for this noun. Okay. Clear? Bye. These two you have to do in copy.